Hey guys, it's Michaela, and today I'm going to walk you through how to do the Runaway Aurora filter effect on Instagram. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's jump in. First, we need to get on Instagram, which I'm just going to do now. You might have to log in if you haven't already. Then we're going to go to our story. We're going to hold down on our story, hit add story. And now we need to go ahead and add the filter effect to our phone. To do that, I'm just going to scroll over to, a random effect. Then I'm going to click on that effect name at the very bottom here. It's going to bring up a couple of options. I'm going to scroll down more until I see Browse Effect Gallery. I'm going to click on that. From there, I'm going to hit that search bar and I'm going to type in the Runaway Aurora. And I already did that, so you can see there. I'm going to click on it once it pops up. Then you can see all the different Runaway Aurora different filters. It's the same filter, just different Instagram users doing the filter. So once you pick on one, it doesn't really matter which. You're going to hit these three dots at the bottom right-hand corner, and you're going to hit Save Effect. You can go ahead and watch them through. It's just basically staring selfie back at you, looking at the sky. We're going to hit the X. We're going to go back here, and now we're going to have it already saved in our phone, so we can go over and find it. Here it is. Okay, so once we're here, we're going to put our phone into lock mode. So we're going to hit hands-free, and then we're going to go over, find the Aurora filter. Basically, the whole trend is going to be you getting a silhouette of yourself against the sky. So basically have the camera facing you, put it in the hands-free mode, go ahead and point it towards the sky. Then you're going to play through the song. And then once it starts to do the freeze on the different background, you do poses like there and there and there. And then once you're done, and once it's done, you'll have your Runaway Aurora trend filter. If you guys have any questions on that, let us know in the comments below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.